Now we will discuss the one numerical on X bar chart or mean chart. So your question is like this: the following data gives reading of 10 samples of size 8 each. Means here our sample number is from 1 to 10, and each sample, for each sample number there is a sample size that is 8. Means small n is given is here 8 in the production of certain components. So draw the control chart for X bar chart and point out which sample if any आउट ऑफ लिमिट. अब हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इसमें से कौन सा सैम्पल नंबर हमारा क्या है, आउट ऑफ लिमिट है. सो पर्टिकुलर डाटा इज गिवन फॉर ईच सैम्पल नंबर अप टू 10. वैल्यूज ऑफ मीन इज गिवन 5.4, 5.1, 5.4, 4.9, 5.2, 4.7, 5.1, 5.0, 5.2 फॉर सैम्पल साइज ऑफ 8. मीन्स स्मॉल वैल्यू ऑफ n इक्वल टू 8. हमें क्या गिवन है, A2 गिवन है, द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू 0.373, एंड फॉर प्रोसेस आवर मीन रेंज वैल्यू इज गिवन इज 0.65. First, for X bar chart we have to find the value of central line value, that is equal to X bar. Means we have to add the value of mean of each sample number divided by total number of sample number. So up to 10 like this we can add 5.4, 5.1, 5.4 up to 5.2 divided by 10, that is come out to be 5.1. that is our 5.1, that is our center line value. After that we have to find the upper control limit value, and after that lower control limit value. Okay, so our formula for upper control limit value is X bar plus R bar A2. Our X bar is 5.1, R bar it is given 0.65, and A2 is, that is constant already given in the question, 0.373. so after calculation it is come out to be 5.3424. same like this we have to find the value of lower control limit value, that is equal to X bar minus R bar A2. X bar is 5.1 minus 6.5 multiplied by 0.373. so after calculation it is come out to be 4.8576. now we have to draw 3 horizontal lines for lower control limit value, center line value, and upper control limit value. So first we have to draw a vertical line. On that let us say the lowest line is lower control line value, whose value is 4.8. after that we have to draw one center limit line value whose value is 5.1, and upper control line value whose values is 5.3424. after that on x axis we have to cut the samples number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. so now we have to draw the value or cut the value for a particular sample number. This numerical problem is for mean chart or X bar chart. So we have to cut the particular sample numbers values of mean value. Like for sample number 1 it is 5.1. so you can see here our maximum value is 5.3424 and lower limit line value is 4.85. so for sample number 1 our mean value is lies outside the upper control limit value. For this I have shown outside from the upper control limit value 5.4. after same like for sample 2 5.1 it is inside and between the upper control limit line value and central limit line value. Okay, like this we have to draw up to 5.2, and after that we have to join this. So we can see here our two sample numbers, that is sample number 1 and sample number 3, whose mean value is 5.4 each, is lying outside our control limits value, means they are exceeding our upper control limit value. So